When asked about visit of Prime Minister Modi to Manipur, Chief Secretary clarified that the visit is not confirmed yet, even though there is expectation of a visit. He also added that PM's visit to Manipur is likely and is being planned, but no dates have been fixed yet. While speaking about the recent order to make Aadhaar registration process stringent, Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar maintained that police stations have been informed to check any immigrants who have illegally acquired Aadhaar cards. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribes, T. Matthew Rongmai, Additional Chief Secretary of Tribal Affairs and Hills, Anurag Bajpal, Additional Chief Secretary Finance, Vivek Dewangan, and other eminent persons graced the function.
There is a big rumors regarding the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Manipur.
Not that we are aware of. An expectation is there, but then nothing has come as of now. A lot of things are ready for inauguration. Whether it from wherever it is done, civil secretary is one, police headquarters is there, IT SEZ is there, the building is there. In addition, the outside Manipur also, the Manipur Bhavan in Dwarka, a huge structure, huge building is ready now. Manipur Bhavan, Kanyu Bhavan in Calcutta is also ready. There are other things of other departments. Saski, a lot of works have come up. So all of it can be inaugurated together or see at him. I mean, that depends.